how to redeem YouGotaGift gift cards. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can redeem your YouGotaGift cards. Now it's basically quite simple and easy, so I'll just show you here. You can see here I'm at the official website of YouGotaGift.com. Here I'm on the page. Now if I tap on the three horizontal line icon at the top right, and if I tap on buy in store option here, and if I scroll down below, you can see a gift card for all brands. Now you can see here how to add and redeem gift card in gift wallet. Now all you have to do is, you can see there are three simple steps that you'll have to do. First, you want to download the YouGotaGift application from your Play Store, and then you want to enter or scan gift code. Now the QR code that you get on the gift card, you can either scan it using your app, or you can either enter in your barcode number there. And once you do so, what you want to do is you can split and spend amount. Now while you go to the store, what you'll have to do is you'll have to provide either your barcode. You can provide your barcode by printing out the code, or what you can do is you can hand over your phone to scan for the shop owner to scan in order to redeem and use your gift card. So this way you can easily redeem your gift card and later use it. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.